Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix action block problem in your Instagram account. See, we get action block in our Instagram account due to several reasons. Like if we are liking a post very fast, so many posts. So if we are commenting, if we are doing so many comments without giving a gap, or also if we are following a lots of people daily, or there can be many more reasons. But sometimes we face this problem also due to Instagram mistake. So basically there are two solutions that I'm going to tell you in this video. So the first one will be a temporary solution and the second one is a permanent solution. See, the action block is like whenever you get action block in your Instagram account, so this means they have blocked your IP address. So as a temporary solution, just to check this, you can take your friend's phone or a family member phones and you can log in your Instagram account in that phone, and you will find that everything is working perfectly in that mobile phone. So this problem is only with your mobile phone. So as a temporary solution, what you can do, you can download one application named as Parallel Space. I will add the link in my video description, so you can download the application from there, or you can search in Play Store. So once you will log in your Instagram account from that application, your Instagram account will run with different IP address and you will be able to use Instagram without any problem, without action block. But this app is not much suitable. You will get like your app will get restart or something. So as a temporary solution, you can go with this one. Yeah, and one more thing, like action block is of different type. Sometimes if we get an action block in morning and by evening it is getting automatically fixed. But in some case the action block remains for more than a month. Even if the deadline is crossed, so they will give a particular date, like in this date your action block will be removed. But even after that date is passed, still we are facing an action block. So the permanent solution is you need to factory reset your mobile phone. So this is only a permanent solution. We don't have any option. So you can factory reset your phone, you can take a backup and factory reset your phone, and after that if you will log in your Instagram account, it will work everything as before. So I hope this video is useful for you and thanks for watching.